Today, Howard shares a Latin-inspired recipe that dreams are made of. He calls it Dreamy Flan, and we're making it in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I hope you've been enjoying our week-long celebration of international food favorites. Today, I couldn't be more excited than to share a creamy dessert that's a staple throughout Latin America. Of course, I'm talking about flan. Just saying the word gets my mouth watering. So, what do you say I show you how to make this? To make the caramel topping that flans are known for, we heat some sugar in a skillet, and once it's amber in color, we pour it into a cake pan and swirl it like this. While this sits for a bit, we add a can each of sweetened condensed and evaporated milk into a blender, along with some eggs, vanilla, and a bit of sugar. Then we give it a whirl. Now, this gets poured into our pan that we set inside a roasting pan. We carefully add some water until it's halfway up the sides of the flan pan, and we bake it. The hot water bath ensures that this will cook evenly as it bakes. After this sets and cools, it's ready to flip out onto a rim platter. There you have it, the richest, creamiest, and most amazing flan you've ever tasted. I rarely say this, but if you don't visit our website and get the recipe for our Dreamy Flan, you'll really be missing out. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Latin-inspired way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I'm way ahead of you. I've already looked it up. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.